Great autos, cars and coffee at Motorwerks. We got all kinds of stuff today. Wow. Wow. Covering all eras, all types, all kinds of fun.
John went with his dad at 8 years old and watched this car being built. And so then
Woo!
ship kept it for 2 years.
Woo!
And
Woo! Gentlemen's!
Hey,
Hi!
get your falcon wing doors here.
I like this. I've always liked this. Every time Mike brings this, it's a treat.
It is.
Yes!
Do you know what that means? Yeah. No, it's too big to be a cake carpet.
Oh, that's big, baby. Ooh! Paul brought Mr. Big.
Of course.
Yes.
I'm not that much of a fire.
Ooh!
Yeah, this one has it. I wouldn't call it a problem. It's a characteristic of the engine. It is. I thought it was a problem. I thought it was a problem. I thought it was too. But then I googled it and it's like that. Oh yeah, Alex talks about it.
Tom brought Tawny. Wave boys, you're on films.
Hi, welcome to Coachella Valley Motorwerks.
Woo! Woo! Tawny. Alpha.
Be impressed at how I am driving this thing now. I mean, remember us putting down the road?
Yes.
I came up here on Vistacino tonight.
Ooh.
I'm like driving it on the real roads.
On big boy streets instead of back roading it. We love Tawny. Frank's new toy.
And so, excellent, yeah. Good morning. Thank you. And so anyway,
Good morning.
Good morning, buddy.
Wee.
Say hey, Bobby.
Hey, I know that guy. All kinds of fun. The fun is out today. Avanti. T-Bird. Oh, hey, we know that car. Ooh. We have everything here. Everything. Steve's here with Peter. All kinds of stuff for sale here at CV Motorworks. Yeah, we know that one. Hit up Aaron and Joel. Get yourself something cool. Tom, wave. You're on candid camera. Not so candid camera.